In the quest for maintaining a pristine home, this Eureka cordless vacuum cleaner emerges as a game changer. This vacuum cleaner combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to deliver an exceptional cleaning experience. Let's dive into a detailed review of the Eureka cordless vacuum cleaner to understand why it stands out in the crowded market of cordless vacuum cleaners. Why choose the Eureka cordless vacuum cleaner? Choosing the Eureka cordless vacuum cleaner means opting for a high-performance cleaning tool that combines power, efficiency, and convenience. Here's a quick recap of the key benefits. Lightweight and powerful, easy to maneuver, with a powerful 300W motor for effective cleaning. Long runtime, up to 40 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. Advanced filtration, 5-stage Cyclone Filtration System with a reusable HEPA filter. Smart features, LED display and smooth speed control for customized cleaning. Versatile cleaning, equipped with various attachments for multi-surface cleaning. User-friendly design, lightweight, cordless, and easy-to-empty dust cup. One of the most remarkable features of the Eureka cordless vacuum cleaner is its lightweight design. Weighing just 5 pounds, this cordless handheld vacuum is easy to maneuver, making it ideal for above-floor cleaning needs. Despite its lightweight build, it houses a robust 300W motor that offers ultra-powerful suction. Whether you're dealing with daily messes or high-traffic areas, the Eureka cordless vacuum cleaner ensures thorough cleaning with minimal effort. The convenience of cordless cleaning is further enhanced by the detachable and rechargeable battery of the Eureka cordless vacuum cleaner. A single full charge provides up to 40 minutes of runtime, allowing you to clean continuously without frequent interruptions. This extended runtime makes it perfect for cleaning large spaces in one go. Additionally, the ability to swap out the battery means you can always have a spare ready for longer cleaning sessions. To ensure a cleaner home environment, the Eureka cordless vacuum cleaner is equipped with an innovative 5-stage Cyclone Filtration System. This system, combined with a HEPA filter, effectively separates and captures even the smallest particles of dust and allergens. The advanced filtration system not only improves air quality by trapping microscopic particles, but also prolongs the life of the vacuum cleaner by preventing clogging. Plus, the HEPA filter can be rinsed and dried for reuse, eliminating maintenance costs. The smart LED display on the Eureka cordless vacuum cleaner provides real-time information about the battery level, ensuring you're always aware of how much runtime you have left. Additionally, the vacuum features smooth speed control with 3 different modes that can be adjusted at your fingertips. This allows you to customize the suction power based on the cleaning task, whether it's a quick cleanup or a deep clean of your home. Cleaning under furniture can be a challenging task, but the Eureka cordless vacuum cleaner makes it effortless with its low-profile design and 180 rotatable floor brush. The swivel steering capability allows you to easily navigate around obstacles and reach under low furniture pieces where dust and debris tend to accumulate. This feature ensures that no corner of your home is left uncleaned. The Eureka cordless vacuum cleaner comes with a range of convenient accessory attachments that enhance its versatility. The upgraded nozzle and crevice tool, along with a 2-in-1 furniture brush, make it easy to tackle different cleaning needs. Whether you're cleaning hard floors, carpets, or pet hair, these accessories ensure that you have the right tool for every surface. The ability to switch between attachments seamlessly adds to the overall efficiency of the vacuum cleaner. The Eureka cordless vacuum cleaner is designed with the user in mind. The vacuum's lightweight build makes it easy to carry around and use for extended periods without causing fatigue. The easy-to-empty dust cup simplifies debris disposal, allowing you to empty and eject dirt without making a mess. Additionally, the cordless design means you're not restricted by power outlets, providing greater freedom of movement during cleaning. Conclusion: a must-have for a cleaner, fresher home. The Eureka cordless vacuum cleaner is an exceptional addition to any home, offering powerful suction, advanced filtration, and versatile cleaning capabilities. Its lightweight and ergonomic design makes it a pleasure to use, while the extended battery life and smart features ensure efficient and hassle-free cleaning. Whether you're dealing with everyday dust or tackling pet hair, the Eureka Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is equipped to handle it all, making it the ultimate solution for a cleaner, fresher home. Don't miss out on this incredible cordless vacuum cleaner. Get the Eureka Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner today and transform your home cleaning routine with ease. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.